So here in our next part, guys, we're gonna see method for step deviation. Okay, that already I explained that method of step deviation in arithmetic mean, median mode, okay, and standard deviation. So actually, why we are using method of step deviation? Just to reduce the calculation. For that, we consider method of a step deviation. Okay. Yes, that one we use to reduce the calculation. So similar application we have over here. We apply method of step deviation in order to get the simplified calculation. Okay. Yes. So for that we consider some another variable. Okay. Just to reduce the calculation, we consider some another variable. I consider ui as a xi minus a divided by n and vi as a yi minus b divided by k. Okay. A, what is the a? In xi table, in the middlemost value we consider a. In xi table, number of n, that we consider n. Similarly, for in yi table, middlemost value we consider b, and total number of yi we consider k. Okay. Yes. So similarly, like a coefficient of covariance of xy, we consider covariance of uv. Okay. Yes. So we write covariance of uv as a summation of ui vi. Okay. Covariance of uv, we write summation of ui vi divided by n minus u bar phi bar. Okay, minus u bar and phi bar. So what actually u bar, phi bar, u bar and phi bar both are the arithmetic mean. Okay, u bar is the arithmetic mean for our data and phi bar is the arithmetic mean for data. If the data is in the form of ungrouped data, then take summation of ui divided by n, summation of phi divided by n. If it is a group data, then add only frequency, summation of phi ui divided by capital N and summation of phi vi divided by capital N. Okay, this one is our u bar and phi bar. Okay, which is the arithmetic mean. Now see that summation of ui phi, we got it here. Now standard deviation, we need the sigma standard deviation for finding the covariance. Okay, yes, so standard deviation we write it as the summation of ui square divided by n. Okay, which also denoted by u bar. Okay, and standard deviation of phi square we write summation of phi square divided by n minus phi bar. Okay, yes, u bar and phi bar, we denote this one as a u bar. Okay, and summation of phi with a square divided is equal to summation of phi square divided by n minus phi bar. Phi bar is the arithmetic mean for our data v. Okay, u bar it is summation of ui by n, phi bar is the summation of phi divided by n over here. Okay, yes. Now after this method of step deviation or a previous method, Pearson method. Okay, so whatever the regression, okay, sorry, whatever the correlation of r of xy, whatever the r of xy you found at the end of the example, so if the r of xy is a 0, then we say that lack of a relationship between x and y. Okay, that means there is a very less amount of a relationship or like a negligible relationship between x and y. Okay, when r of xy is a 0. Okay, what I'm telling here, if r of xy is a 0, then we say that there is a very less amount of relationship or lack of relationship between x and y. Okay, if r of xy is equal to plus minus 1, then we say that relationship between x and y very strong. Okay, the relationship between this x and y, it is very strong when r of xy, that is a correlation between this x and y, it is a plus minus 1, we say that the relationship between x and y, it is very stronger. Okay, yes. So see that, guys, method of step deviation I explained here. Okay, method of step deviation means we introduce new variable instead of x and y. Okay, so instead of x we consider u, instead of y we consider v. Okay, this is just the replacement of variable in order to reduce the calculation. Okay, I hope you all understood, guys, method of step deviation. Okay, that we needed here for finding the correlation or relation between two variable x and y. Okay, yes. So instead of x and y we consider here just to reduce the calculation, we consider here u and v as the variable. Okay, so that's it here for our today's lecture, guys. I hope you all have understood everything here in my today's lecture. Even after, if you found anything difficult, guys, let me know in my comment section. And if you want similar videos, then comment me in my comment section. Okay, I will come up with the similar videos. So thank you everyone, thank you for my today's lecture.